This 5-minute solution will show you how to delete iCloud backup on iPhone. You can free up your iCloud storage by deleting your iCloud backup. Follow these simple steps to find and delete unwanted backups. Go to Settings, tap on your name, iCloud, Manage Storage, Backups. Tap on the backup you want to delete. Tap on Delete Backup. Turn off and delete. And that's how we can find and delete iCloud backups on iPhone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.